Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make spring fries. First, choose firm, medium-sized potatoes like russets for the perfect texture. Next, slice them into uniform matchsticks, aiming for about 1/4 inch thick. Consistency is key for even cooking. Then, soak these potato sticks in cold water for at least 30 minutes. This step removes excess starch, which helps achieve that desirable crispy exterior. Drain and pat them completely dry before moving on. Now let's talk about the double fry method, which is essential for truly crispy fries. Heat your cooking oil, like peanut or canola, to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the potato matchsticks in small batches, ensuring not to overcrowd the pot. Cook them for about 5 minutes until they are lightly golden and tender. Remove them from the oil and let them cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling step is crucial for the second fry. For the final crisp, increase your oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, return the cooled fries to the pot, again in small batches. Fry them for another 2 to 3 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. As soon as they come out of the oil, transfer them to a bowl and season generously with salt. You can also add other spices like paprika or garlic powder for extra flavor. Serve them hot. There you have it, perfectly crispy spring fries, ready to enjoy. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauces, whether it's classic ketchup, a spicy aioli, or a tangy barbecue sauce. Don't be afraid to get creative with your seasonings. A sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of chili powder can elevate the flavor even further. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy frying!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.